Good morning, good afternoon, whenever you're watching the video. Let's go ahead and get started. Today we're going to do math lesson 7.9, and we're counting to 18 and 19. So it's the same thing we've been doing this whole time, counting to 15, counting to 14, 16, 17, but now we're going up to 18 and 19. So this is what I need you to do. First thing I want you to do is I want you to use these two 10 frames to show me the number 18. So we know that 18 is greater than 10, so we know we need one full tens frame. All right, so there's one full tens frame. Make sure you're starting in the top left-hand corner and working left to right. We start here, and we go all the way across, then we start in this row, and we go all the way across. We're not gonna start here and go down, and we're not gonna start here and work down and then come back this way. We always go from left to right, finish the row, and then left to right and finish the row. Okay, so we're gonna show 18. So we know we have 10. So let's start from 10, and then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we have 18, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Or we could do 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now, if I wanted you to show me 19, you would just have to add on one more, 18, 19. Two full tens frames would be 20, and we know that from counting on our morning meeting every day. We count by tens to count how many days we've been in school. All right, so let's flip to the next page in our packet. Looks like this. I want you to try this page on your own. First thing you're going to do is you're going to trace the number 18. Remember, with numbers, the T numbers are 1 comes first, because if we did it this way, our number would be 81, and that's a very different number from 18. All right, so you're going to try this on your own. You're going to show me 18 in the tens frames. Trace the 10. That's how many is supposed to be in the first tens frame. And this number is how many is supposed to be in the second tens frame. So pause the video, give yourself some time to do this part and this part, and then hit play to make sure you're right. So we know that 18 is greater than 10, so we know that we have one full tens frame. That's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 10 is our first tens frame. And then how many are in our second tens frame? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 5, 6, 7, 8. So we should write an 8 over here. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and flip to the next page in your packet. And you're doing the same thing you just did on the last page, but instead of showing 18, you're going to show 19. So first trace the 19. Okay, and then show 19. Again, I encourage you to pause the video, do this, and then hit play so you can challenge yourself. So we know that 19 is greater than 10, so we know we're going to have one full tens frame. So we have 10, and then we have to count up to get to 19. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19, sorry. Okay, so in our first tens frame, we have 10. And then in our next tens frame, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, go ahead and flip to the next page. I want you to do this page. Let's see. Okay, so Kaylin makes a necklace with 18 beads. She starts on the left bead and counts up to 19. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So here's my 18 beads. Now let's count how many blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 blue beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 yellow beads. Are there more blue beads or yellow beads? Circle the color bead that has more. Which number is greater, 8 or 10? 10 is greater. So we're going to cross this out because we're going to change the directions a little bit. I want you to show me what plus what equals 18. How many blue, my goodness, how many blue beads are there? 10. How many yellow beads are there? 8. 10 plus 8 equals 18. All right, last 2 pages, and I want you to do these on your own. And I want you to show me 19, trace 19. Show me 19. We just did this page before, so show me 19. Again, I encourage you to pause the video, do it on your own, and challenge yourself, and then hit play. Okay, so show me 19. We know that 19 is greater than 10, so we know we're going to have a full tens frame. So now we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And again, our first tens frame is full for a total of 10. And how many's in the second tens frame? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 and 9 equals 19. Okay. And then the last page, this is pretty tough. You just need to trace the number 18. Let's double check and make sure. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, and then these last 2 are review. So how many black or gray, I should say gray, cubes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus how many white cubes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. All right, now we have 4 birds total. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 birds. We took away 2. How many are left? 2. So 4 minus 2 equals 2. Okay. All right, guys, great. Oh my goodness, I can't talk. Great job. If you have any questions, let me know. Good job. And I will see you in the next video.